Good morning, students. Today's class 8th science and our topic is in fixing nitrogen. Nitrogen is essential for plant growth. Nitrogen is used to live organisms to produce complex organic molecules such as proteins. These molecules are essential for sustained life. Plants cannot grow without nitrogen because nitrogen is the necessary to prepare the protein, and protein is the body building food of all living organisms. Although nitrogen is present in huge amount in air, plant cannot use it directly. Most plants obtain nitrogen in the form of nitrates from the soil along with water. Soil is continuously being supplied with nitrate molecules through the nitrogen cycle. Role of microorganism in nitrogen cycle remains the plants and animals and animal based excreta and urine contain nitrogen in the form of nitrogenous compounds. When such nitrogen organic matter mixes with the soil, it decomposes. The soil, fungi and bacteria decompose the organic matter and convert it to nitrates. This process is known as nitrification. Nitrates are soluble in water and are absorbed by the roots along with the water. Certain kind of bacteria living in the bed soil convert nitrates into nitrogen gas or nitrous oxide gas, which is returned to the atmosphere. This process is known as denitrification. Here the diagram given, you have seen atmospheric nitrogen by the lightning oxide of nitrogen and lightning here, and you have seen denitrifying bacteria in water logged and soil denitrification, and here oxide of nitrogen, dead plant organisms and dead animals feces and urines decomposing the nitrifying bacteria convert ammonia nitrification, and here blue green algae water soluble and soil nitrates, and here atmospheric nitrogen by the plants, nitrogen fixing bacteria humus, and in root nodules of leguminous plant, here blue green algae, here the animals, and this is the nitrogen cycle, and nitrogen is necessary for all plants. Next topic, in increasing soil fertility. Certain soil bacteria such as rhizobium and blue green algae enrich the soil by converting nitrogen from the air into nitrates and nitrites. These microbes are called biological nitrogen fixer. Rhizobium leguminosarum are present root nodules of pulses or leguminous plant. Rhizobium bacteria live in the roots nodule of leguminous plant such as peas, beans and grams. Soil bacteria and fungi also decompose organic matter and form humus. Humus makes the soil fertile and increases the water holding capacity of the soil. Humus is the important to the plant because it is the more fertile and it is the prepared by dead organisms. Atmospheric nitrogen is also fixed. in the soil by the action of lightning. Cleaning the environment. You already know the bacteria and fungi decompose the organic matter. This is nature's way of cleaning the environment. There are certain bacteria that decompose petroleum wastes. Such bacteria are especially useful to cleaning oil spills in ocean water. Some bacteria can also decompose sewage and help to reductions of environmental pollution. Other uses of microorganisms. Some bacteria produce poisons that kills insect. The bacteria are however not harmful to the other form of life. Such bacteria can be used to control plant pests. Microscopic algae contribute in sustaining life on the earth. They produce food and add huge amount of oxygen into the atmosphere. Some bacteria can also decompose animals and plants waste to produce biogas. Next topic, harmful microorganism. Microorganism cause diseases in animals and plants. Disease causing microorganism in animals and human beings. Communicable diseases such as dysentery, tuberculosis, TB, typhoid and cholera are caused by bacteria. Some of the most harmful diseases such as polio, Ebola, influenza, dengue, chikungunya, rabies and AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome are caused by certain viruses. Highly contagious disease such as the foot and mouth disease that infect cattle and several other animals are caused by virus. Certain fungi of Candida species causes serious skin and lungs infection in human as well as animals. The excreta of pigeons has fungi, bacteria and protozoa that can cause disease in human beings. A fungus Aspergillus flavus produces several dangerous poisons when it grows stock feeds such as groundnuts. One of the poison called alpha toxins when eaten cause illness and something death of cattle. Valuable insects such as honeybees and silkworms are at times destroyed by certain type of bacteria. Next, amoebic dysentery. A protozoan called Entamoeba histolytica causes a disease called amoebic dysentery. It attacks the walls of intestine and feed upon red blood cells. The germs are present in the feces of infected people and can be transmitted by the flies. The use of untreated human sewage as manure for growing vegetables can also cause this disease. Life skill. Symptom of amoebic dysentery: frequent loose motions, sometimes with mucus and blood. In some cases vomiting occurs. Prevention of amoebic dysentery: wash hands with soap and water after using the toilet. Wash hands before eating food. Keep food covered. Thank you, student.